China's secret spaceplane ejects mysterious object into Earth's orbit. U.S. hunts it down. A mysterious object was released into the Earth's orbit by China's top-secret spaceplane nearly 372 miles above the surface. The situation is being monitored by the U.S. Space Force. However, the reason why the mysterious object was ejected on May 24 remains unknown. The mysterious object was first spotted by a Harvard astrophysicist who speculated that it could be a sub-satellite deployment or perhaps a piece of hardware which was released by the spaceplane before its mission ended and it deorbited. Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics Jonathan McDowell, after first spotting the object, wrote on X, "This object could be a sub-satellite deployment. Or it could be a piece of hardware ejected prior to end of the mission and deorbit. The spaceplane's first flight did something similar." The spacecraft, which was named Shenlong after a Chinese mythological spirit dragon, was launched last December and since then, it has released several objects into orbit. This action of the Chinese spaceplane has sent strong signals to the United States. China has remained secretive regarding the spaceplane, which it said has the job of providing technical support for the peaceful use of space. After operating in orbit for a period of time, the experimental spacecraft will return to the designated landing site in China, stated China's state media outlet Xinhua. During this period, it will carry out reusable technology verification and space science experiments as planned, providing technical support for the peaceful use of space, it added. China launched the craft one day after the United States scrubbed the flight of its spy plane. The U.S. Space Force chief said that this was no coincidence. "It's probably no coincidence that they're trying to match us in timing and sequence of this," said General Chance Saltzman, Space Force's chief of space operations. U.S. Space Force tracks down mysterious object. Currently, the mysterious object is being tracked down by the United States Space Force. Meanwhile, amateur astronomer Scott Tilley, who was tracking the spaceplane when the 6 objects were ejected in December, and signals were emitted over North America, said the signals most probably targeted a ground station or boat which was close to British Columbia, Canada. "When the spaceplane passes over me, it only emits on a certain trajectory of pass that appears to favor a location south to southwest of me," Tilley said. "On higher elevation passes over me, there are no signals, but on ocean-hugging passes to my southwest, a.l.l. of my observations of the object have occurred," he added. Tilley joined a group in Switzerland that specializes in optical band space surveillance, and the collaboration has been able to monitor the plane since it launched on December 15. Subscribe for more informative videos like this.